Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Fetch.AI. Been a couple days since we covered this here last, so just want to kind of see what's going on. If you're new to the channel, again, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a site. Link down below, and I do ask just before we get started, hit the like button, comment below. Deeply appreciate that. Really helps grow the channel, get more educational advice in front of more people, because unfortunately there's a lot of idiots out there trying to teach people to take bad trades. When it takes, when it comes to taking a bad trade or a good trade, really, a lot of it boils down to being confident, or more so importantly, patience, which confidence comes from patience in a lot of ways, right? So we just got to kind of wait for the right conditions. Now, is this a good condition to take a long or a short? Let's find out. First of all, we got a lot of shorts here at about $2.55 and a decent amount of longs down as low as 180. So longs are obviously in profit, and we got a lot more shorts here trying to short the top. This is a very common occurrence right now in the market. People continue to think that the price is going to go down for most coins, which I kind of agree with that in a small way, just because I think Bitcoin is showing some weakness here. But once again, very early to tell. So let's talk a little bit about the bearish or bullish divergences this coin has. First things first, we're getting tentatively rejected by the 50-day SMA. Breaking above that would be super, super awesome. So a break above 255, I feel, and getting above that 0.5 fib level would be extremely important. Keep in mind, we've got this point of control. If we zoom in a little bit further here, we can kind of see in the more recent past, there's a lot of volume at this about like 265 range. Okay, so again, that's going to work as a resistance here. So we got a lot of reasons why the price action might have some difficulty moving forward. Not saying it can't continue through that, but generally speaking, those are some just well-known resistances. Cool thing about that is once we break through that range, we should be scot-free and continue further up. Between now and then, though, we can see that we got a nice little 50 plus on the RSI. Money flow index is pretty decent. Stochastic swinging up, and so is the MACD. So the daily really exudes a lot of bullish behavior. We basically have a propensity for further upside more so than downside at this point, is what it's exuding here. Keep in mind, though, we do still have this resistance range here at about 255, which we can kind of see there if we draw this trend line out too as well. Pretty obvious little area there between 250 and 255 as a resistance. Yeah. So I can kind of see why the shorts are shorting right now. You can take a look here as well. RSI getting rejected by 70, money flow index pulling back, stochastic swinging down, and of course MACD is trying to diverge. So a lot of reasons why the price could pull back here in the immediate future. So in that sense, with what we see here so far, we're getting rejected tentatively at that 250 mark. And unless we can close soundly above 250 to say round number 255, I think we're more likely to see the price action pull back and continue lower. However, we're above all moving averages. So folks, you don't trade into that. You don't short into that. What you do is you wait for confirmation. If we break below this ascending trend line, that would be step number one. And then step number two would be losing specific RSIs on the 4-hour. Personally, I don't think we're there yet. We also have a lot of convergence here on the hourly too, showing we got good strength. We're above the cloud, lag is span free and clear, conversion line over the baseline. The hourly still looks fairly strong. It's slowing down and losing momentum though, so don't get me wrong. This is not like just going to take off from here. What I would expect to see happen is the price work its way up, wick out here, destroy all of these shorts here, and then turn around as if nothing happened, Bob's your uncle, right? Again, one of those things that's this very common occurrence in a lot of trading. When coins get this close to a resistance level, there's usually one last sweep before a pullback. So we'll see if that manipulation does occur, but to me right now, this coin's in a transition, showing good strength on the daily, some moderate weaknesses on the 4-hour, and then of course the hourly kind of giving us that indication that momentum has shifted. So I don't like to take trades in that personally. I like to get a little bit more confirmation than that because this coin still has a lot of bullish qualities too. So I would just be very careful in taking a trade. As per usual, if you've watched my videos, you'll probably know that I'd like to recommend low leverage, low position size. Try not to just follow Tom, Dick, and Harry online because again, a lot of folks are just they haven't been trading very long, I think, and a lot of times it's just kind of that naivety of the fact that cryptocurrency has to be all or nothing, and you have to just mega wins and mega losses. I prefer to kind of take smaller losses and take consistent gains too, and sometimes those are small, and that's okay. But it all adds up at the end of the year. There's a reason why this is my full-time job, and that patience pays off, okay? So be patient here, folks. I hope that you can learn something and continue to learn more, either by watching my videos or not, but make sure you hit the like button so we can get this in front of more people. Comment below. Let me know your position on Fetch.AI. And if you want to become a better trader, again, CryptoCash.tech is a site linked down below. If you want to trade this coin and many other awesome coins on the world's best exchange, Bitunix, link down below, $5,500 in benefit rewards if you use my link to register. I look forward to working with you though, either way. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.